can Deepo Harati Vekapam Deepajoti Janardhana Jaya Jaya Bharata Desha Jaya Tvam Jaya Jaya Bharata Desha Jaya Jaya Bharata Desha Jaya Tvam Jaya Jaya Bharata Desha Sabaka Basani Nirigamari Nirisa Sagamada Nipagaba Nidasa Natvarudram Kailasesham Utandavakaram Datvaramam Dhanudarinam Kavanahantaram Smrutva Krishnam Chakradharinam Kamsachetaram Pranamya Sarvan Parakramatvam Ghoshayatvam Ghoshayatvam Jaya Jaya Bharata Desha Jayatvam Jaya Jaya Bharata Desha Jaya Jaya Bharata Desha Jayatvam Jaya Jaya Bharata Desha Jaya Tu Hanuman Lanka Datta Drodacharagari Jaya Tu Pratapu Rana Viro Girikandharavasi Jaya Tu Shivaji Jhansi Lakshmi Devi Ranachandi Ghoshayatvam Ghoshadesha Jayatvam Jaya Jaya Bharata Desha Jaya Jaya Bharata Desha Jaya Jaya Bharata Desha
in the function symbolically by lighting the lamp. Now, I request the dignitaries kindly take their seat on the dais. Of the dignitaries on the dais to grace the function. It is my immense privilege to offer you the most inclusive welcome. Well-wisher is not a word, merely a relationship. It is a silent promise. Dear audience and guests of honor, we are indeed privileged to have a unique resource person, Advocate K.C. Narayana, retired Army officer, President of Ex-Servicemen Association, Apollo. Dear sir, I cordially welcome you for this occasion. It is our proud privilege to have a well-known certified career instructor, Mr. K. Vijayan, retired Navy officer, Ex-Servicemen's Association of Dr. Valaya, registered. Sir, on behalf of entire Sharda family, I delightfully welcome you, sir. Additionally, I am extremely honored to offer the most inclusive welcome to the very remarkable personality, Mr. Vivek Tantri sir, in his absence, who is the distinguished Chief Administrator of Sharda Vidyaniketan School, Talpadi. I extend you an open arm and welcome you, sir. One tree can start a forest. One word can frame a goal. One candle can wipe darkness. A true leader who has confidence stand alone. The courage to make tough decisions and compassion to listen others is an art. One such special supporting guy, Mr. Vinayak sir, the principal of Sharda Vidyaniketan PU College, Talpadi. Dear sir, I welcome you in my humble words to this program. I am very much delighted to welcome our teaching and non-teaching staff. They have been exhibiting everlasting support and effort in all the angles to make this event successful one. And also, I warmly welcome Mr. Venkatesh Kumpala for this splendid occasion. I warmly welcome you, sir. And also, I warmly welcome our new students to involve this program and to make this program successful one. And also, I want to welcome Mohan Das sir, the principal of Sharada Public School, to this program. New knowledge is the most valuable commodity on earth. It grows exponentially. The more we know, the greater we learn. Now, it is my great honor to request Mr. Venkatesh Kumpala, the General Secretary of Ex-Servicemen Association and HOD of Physiotherapy, Indian Hospital Bangalore, to present the initial introduction of the association. Kindly over to you, sir.
ಎರಡು ನಿಮಿಷ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮೆನ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಬ್ಬಕ್ಕ ವಲಯ ಅದೊಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಆನ್ ಮೈ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, ಕೆಲಸ ಶುರು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ತಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ dignitaries on the dais and my respected all my dear lovely students and teaching staff and the especially the jersey worn as an NDA. So I'm very proud to say you are all wearing an NDA t-shirts. They are aspiring candidates for the NDA. So also I'm addressing you, respected NDA students also, and our media persons. Why the introduction is required for ex-servicemen means, in our association we are 40 to 50 ex-servicemen are all working together in an association to give some kind of contribution to the society. In this kind of conducting in this kind of program, what the career guidance program for the school and the colleges, and the ex-servicemen, those who are having some kind of problem, first we have to address the issues. For that, what we thought, after completion of services 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, 30 years, 32 years in the respected Army, Navy, Air Force and all, we are all get back to the same civilian life after completion of respected services. Then finally we are all honored in the society. We have so many received mementos. We are all respected from the civil society. So we thought in return what we have to do, something we have to give to the society. In that way, like-minded all the ex-servicemen from our area, Kumpala, Kollia, Kotikar, Tokot and all, we are all gathered together, successfully conducted 2 years with so many meetings, and finally we formed Ex-Servicemen Association in the name of Appaka. You all know Appaka? Who is Appaka Rani? She is a freedom fighter. So we given our institutions the freedom fighter name. We will never forget that Appaka's contribution to our area. That's why we given a name Appaka. That's why we formed Ex-Servicemen Association Appaka Valaya for 2 years back. All like-minded ex-servicemen, we are all working together for some kind of contribution to this society. I'm proud to say we are all ex-servicemen sitting in front of me. Our well-beloved president of our association, Advocate K.C. Narayana sir, is the leading our association. Sir, ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆರ್ಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರು SBA ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಬಾಯಿದಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಳುವುದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಅದು ನಾವು ಹೇಳೋದು ಮೈಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಸೂಕ್ತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು we are all different categories of army people. Now take the example of me. I completed my graduation from Kendra College and I joined as a nursing assistant in Army Medical Corps. After that, I studied physiotherapy in Armed Forces Medical College, Pune. After joining the army, now for the physiotherapy, the students have to pay around 7 to 8 lakh, 10 lakh rupees for the BPT course. I done my. Why I am telling you these are all the inspiration stories for you. Like me, so many interesting ex-servicemen are there in front of you. So I completed my diploma in physiotherapy after joining the army. So army only taught me the diploma course. So now I completed my all physiotherapy courses in the army, and as an army physiotherapist I retired in 2012 and working at present in Indiana Hospital HOD Department of Physiotherapy. I am very proud to say because army taught me all these things. Why we are telling for the all students means you have to inspire by looking at us, seeing our academic career also. Likewise, now I am very proud to say in front of our Vice President of our association, Siddhartha Sir is there. When we are completed in our Kumpala area, we are all looking for a job after completion of 10, 12 plus 2 years. Sudhakar is also there in our area. So we are looking for a job. Our Siddhartha taken an initiative, and he taken the all leadership, and we don't know that time what is army medical corps, what is signal, what is ELAB. We don't know anything. I remember on Friday he is given me the appointment order of nursing assistant. Today, in the grace of his support, I am standing in front of you. Thank you very much, sir. Likewise, we have EME, signals, after that artery, everyone we have. More often I wanted to say today, what the career guidance course, what is the how to join the defense. The main resource person of our today's program is Mr. Vijay sir. He is retired from Navy. He is also a member of the association, and he is very nice. We lucky have such kind of person in our association. He is a good experience conducting these kind of classes. This kind of, now you know, recently the Bobi school conducted one Saida Nemakati Shitira. So he only conducted around 60-65 students successfully conducted and joined the Udupi rally. I don't know how much they are selected. A few more candidates are selected from Udupi. So Vijay sir is also with us. What I wanted to say, we formed an association with a strong people like our president, vice president, secretary, and we have you all know Sudhakar Kumpala is here. He is also backbone of our association. He is working as a treasurer of association. For today's program, he only told us, definitely we are going to conduct one program here. So that is why Sudhakar is also with us. So all, don't want to name all our around 45-50 people are around with us to support the association. In that way, our only one aim, how to educate, how to give the training, and how to give the information for the first 10th students, plus 2 students, and aspiring candidates. Because why it is always nation comes first in spite of religion. You maybe belongs to Hindu, Muslim, Christian. We are all standing behind our national flag. Once the national flag is go around, fly around, then only our country is stable. For the country is required stable, definitely your support is required. For this kind of workshop we are going to conduct. Now in our association, we have so many aims and objectives. Like we wanted to own our own building, our own training institute, our own workshop, and all we have to conduct. We are having a vision. So many things we have to conduct. For that, all like your support is also required, our society support is also required. And today I am proud to say, second successful conduction of this workshop here. First we have conducted a workshop successfully for the 200-250 students around our Someshwar, that is in a Parigana college near Someshwar, our Anandashrama High School. That also very supportive, and students are got well interacted at. So finally, this is just the introduction of our association. Our association is a strong pillar for the society. We are the role model for the society. Why we are conducting this course, this workshop is definitely understand, because Vijay sir here to guide you all the way. He will answer you for all the questions. NDA aspiring candidates are also there. He is good in giving information. Please don't keep any kind of doubt on you. Please raise your questions. 1. 2. It is not a just ending session. If you require, the college is required. I am requesting the principal sir. College is required. We will come in a for the group discussion or the interaction for the candidate students, definitely we will come, we will interact, and any kind of ನೇಷನ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ಎನಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುವಂತಹ ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು, ದೇಶಾಭಿಮಾನವನ್ನು ಮೈಗೂಡಿಸುವಂತಹ ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಶಾಲೆ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡರೂ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಕರೆದರೆ ನಾವು ಖಂಡಿತ ಬಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಚಿಂತನೆ ಇರಲಿ. ಹಾಗೂ ಶಾಲೆ, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾರದಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಕೇತನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಇದನ್ನು ಮರೆಯಬೇಡಿ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ನೀವು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಳೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಸಂಘದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಜೋಡಣೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಐ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಲಿಸನಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೈ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ us an excellent opportunity to express our views of our association. Thank you very much.
And all the invitees. I feel very happy to see that today we are conducting this program in the beautiful hall of Sharada Vidyalaya. It is indeed a matter of great pleasure to see so many students, those who are aspirants for joining the defense. Even though you don't have the interest to join the defense, but you should know what is defense. Why we should join defense? What are the facilities provided in the defense? And how to join the defense? These are all things you should know. Since you have to build up your own career in your life, it is better to know about the defense forces, Army, Navy, Air Force. And today, a beautiful faculty, Mr. Dronacharya, Director of Dronacharya Institution, Mr. Vijay is with us. In our Abakaliya, you can see that there is a Dronacharya. And there is a Bhishma Pitamaha also. He is Mr. Siddhartha sir, the senior most member of our association. And there is an Arjuna also. He is our General Secretary, who will address to you now, Mr. Venkatesh. And there is one Abhimanyu also. He is the treasurer of our association, Mr. Sudhakar, who is sitting there. So all are there, nothing to worry. As our General Secretary has already addressed you, as spoken by him, this association is going to do a lot of things in your area. This you can take it as guarantee, because all the people, those who have sacrificed for the nation, now they are contributing for the social activities in all the area of Bangalore. So our Abakaliya, we have decided to conduct such programs in all the schools and colleges so that we can start planting the seeds in your minds. This is the right time to plant the seeds. And after that, it is your responsibility to nourish it, to develop it, and to make it a grand big tree. That tree will give the shade for crows together. So you have to nourish the tree properly. That is our one of the aim. Number two, what Abakaliya want to do is, we have to create patriotism in the mind of the children. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಯೋಟಿಸಮ್ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದೋ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದರು, ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬೀಜ ನಾವು ಬಿತ್ತಿದರೆ ಅದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಅದು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪುರಾಣಿಕ ಸರ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ದಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಅವರು ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ನಾನು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಚಿರಋಣಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾವನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಡಿಫೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಫೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಆನಂದಾಶ್ರಮ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪರಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಬಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ಐ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸಾಯಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸಾಯೋದಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. You have to kill those forces, those who are working against our country. You have to kill them. ನೀವು ಸಾಯಬಾರ್ದು. ನೀವು ಸತ್ತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಏನಿದೆ? ಸಾಯುವಾಗ ಇದೇ ಸಾಯಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳು, ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ, ಚೈನಾ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಫೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವರನ್ನು ಓಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವರನ್ನು ಸಾಯಿಸಬೇಕು. ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಏನು. ಈ ವರ್ಷ 1971 50 ವರ್ಷ ಹಿಂದೆ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಇದೆ. ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶನ್ನು ಅವರನ್ನು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅವರನ್ನು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸೇನೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಓಡಿಸಿ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶನ್ನು ವಿಮೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ 93,000 ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನಿಗಳು ಅವರ ಜನರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು. ಅವತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸೇನೆಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು 50 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 16ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಆ ಒಂದು ಒಪ್ಪಂದ ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ 93,000 ಜನ ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಅದರಿಂದ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಜೂಬಿಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇಡೀ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಚ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ನಮ್ಮವರು ಅಷ್ಟು ಫೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಮೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ವ, ಆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿರೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬೀಜ ಬಿತ್ತಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂದು ಇರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ದ್ರೋಣಾಚಾರ್ಯ ವಿಜಯ್ ಅವರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕುಲಂಕುಷವಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೌಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಣ್ಣದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದಲ್ವ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಏನು ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಈಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಡ್, ವೆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್. So there is no need to think twice. You can ask any type of questions regarding defense. ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ಈಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಚಿಂತೆ ಇದೆ. ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಓದಿ ಅವನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಕೂತಿರ್ತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಾನು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಯು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೇನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್, what to become in the future life. You can become that. There is no doubt in that. As you think, so you become. ಸೊ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅದನ್ನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ರೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಆ ರೂಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ ಏನು ಗೈಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಸೇನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರುವವರು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪೇಪರ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಓದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸೌತ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಉಡುಪಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು, ಹಾಸನ ಈ 4 ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟಿಂದ ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಊರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಬ್ಬರು 3 ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. 3 ಜನ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ದರೆ 3 ಜನ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಈ 4 ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? Deliberately we thought about that, why it is happening in these 4 districts. Then we came to know that the people are not aware of the defense. The parents are not aware of the defense. And the children also could not find out how to join the defense. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಚಿಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Who will save our country? Tomorrow if something goes wrong, we will become slaves. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೆಲಸಗಳೇನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಚೈನೀಸ್ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ, ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಲೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮದು, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, NDA ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ, ಮಿಲಿಟರಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ವುಮನ್, then military nursing service for women, defense army, navy, air force, ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಜಯನ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನೇನು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಮಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ದೇವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
See, I am not a good speaker, and I am not a good teacher also. So I am like you. So whatever you are going to conduct here, don't treat it as a class or great lecture. After completion of my 23 years of exemplary service from Indian Navy, I visited the entire part of Kasaragod district and Dakshina Kannada and Udupi. And after my survey, I came to know that none of the people are trying to join Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. So I decided to take that challenge to guide the people and my wish to join, my wish the maximum Kasaragodians and Dakshina Kannada people should join defense services. After my survey, I came to know that why they are not joining defense services is because of less knowledge and the notification timely sending by the concerned authority not getting their footstep in time. Because of less knowledge, they are not joining defense services. I have taken my challenge and I started Dronacharya Defense Coaching Center at Kalingar and Mangalore. Initially I started my challenge at Kalighat. You will not believe, within 7 years, I achieved around 900 candidates joined Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force from Kasaragod district itself. Now I know, I came to know that yes, now Kasaragodians got enough knowledge because I have visited around 170 PU colleges at the Kasaragod district and guide them properly. Now from last year onwards, I started my journey towards Dakshina Kannada and Udupi. My first venture was to make a free training to those aspirants who want to join defense services. So the last 1 month, it was happened in Bovi, Ujla Bovi School, which is very near to your Shahada Vidyaniketan. Around 60 people were participated in the training. Food and accommodation was available. At the end of the day, at Udupi Rally, the first attempt, around 22 people participated for the first phase. Out of that, 15 were selected in those first tests. There, the first standard is like that. It's a running competition, running test. 250 people together have to run together. From that, they will take only 10 to 15 candidates. Now it is still going there. So I am very lucky that I got an association like ex-service association of Bakavalaya. Their mission is to guide the candidates, guide the students of various colleges and properly guide them to join different services, make a lot of workshops for seminars and conduct such training, because I don't want to do my second career in any other. That is not my passion. My passion to visit the middle of the people and get them instructed and try them to join different services. That is my passion. So because all the ex-servicemen have a lot of calibrity after retiring from the defense services. So this is my passion. I make sure that you people are definitely join defense services after getting my classes. I can promise you all that after this class, I will not be simply sit in my house. Definitely, whenever you want need any instructions and guidance, you can call me anytime. I'll show you the number. So now they are ready to take a program. After that, we'll start our journey.